You just found the 2009 Honda Accord. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to be amazed by the Accord. This midsize sedan offers state-of-the-art safety and connectivity technology, a quiet, comfortable ride, elegant styling, a spacious interior, and powerful performance. It's simply perfect. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.